Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are watching from in the world. It's Nicole Stevenson here, and I'm back with another hotel review. Today we are staying in the Bolton River Central Travelodge in Bolton, England. As you can see, that's where we are. I'm going to give you a very good room tour. So start off with the bathroom. Actually, we'll come in. You've got your very basic bathroom. You've got the big mirror. There's me. Hello. You've got a nice sink, and what I like about this sink is if you're filling the kettle up, you can take the kettle in and out of the tap easily. You've got your hand foam wash with your shavers, and then this looks like it's been all done up brand new. It looks absolutely lovely, don't it? And then you've got your nice shower, and you don't need to bring your shampoo and that with you because you have it for you. It's a nice wee dial, looks easy. Handrail, I like that in case you slip. Just the shower's quite nice. You've got the basic curtain and your towel. You have got a towel rail there, but your towels aren't actually in this room. They're actually left on the bed, which I'll show you shortly. And then you've got the wee hook up there to hang whatever. Again, just like any other Travelodge, you've got central heating, which is here. Now we'll move on to the bedroom part, where this is the double bed. As you can see, your towels are left here, and your please top me up sign. And then if you need any fresh towels, just leave them out before 11 o'clock. With a lovely picture, and it looks as if the walls have just been painted new as well, which is really nice. And the good thing about it is you've also got USBs at the side of your bed with a nice shelf and your lights. Over here you have your Samsung telly, very nice. You'll probably get some channels on that. Come over here, and again you do have another mirror. There's my partner Anthony in the background. He's with us on this journey as well. The blue chair, nice touch because it matches the walls, which is lovely. And then you've got a good space to hang your clothes, some extra pillows if you do really need them. Take you to the view, so looks like it's just a motorway here, but you have got car parking down there, guys, which is absolutely free. The Travelodge just goes up to about this height. We're on the 4th floor. As you can see, that's the parking, and there's like a wee motorway there or something like that. That shouldn't be too bad at night. And then here you have the table here. It's got your breakfast, your food and your drinks and snacks. We're booked in for the breakfast in the morning. It's unlimited, so I'll take a video of that tomorrow. We bought our own juice and stuff like that as well, but you do get tea and coffee making facilities, guys, along with your USBs there and your chair as well, with a nice long table if you're here on business. And again, you get USBs and a light here, guys. If anybody has stayed in this Travelodge before, please comment below if you have. Comment below if you would stay here, and any other questions, guys, please comment them below. Thank you for watching another review video. Look out for more coming. We're off to Bolton Skegness tomorrow, so look out for some videos then. We'll see you later, guys. Bye. Bye. Bye.